You. These animals are basically living cheat codes. They can breathe in water and air, like how? Top 5 animals that can breathe there in water. Number 5. Frog. Frogs start life breathing underwater as tadpoles, then grow lungs and can live on land too. Number 4. Axolotl. This one is crazy. It keeps its gills but also breathes through lungs and skin. It never fully grows up like other amphibians. Number 3. Mudskipper. Looks like a fish, but literally walks on land and breathes through its skin and mouth when out of water. Number 2. African lungfish. It has actual lungs and can survive out of water for long periods by breathing air. Number 1. Salamander. Some species can breathe through both lungs and skin, living in water or land depending on conditions.